Almost like all like Manchester United, Manchester City, Liverpool. I like Manchester City because owner Manchester City, Mansour, is my friend. I know him very well, and I like Liverpool. I like Manchester United. Like my best team is Real Madrid, but like for watching, like English Premier League is the best. We can call both Ronaldo, because when I grew up, he was in final Euro 2016. He win Euro, you know, like he was 6 times on final Champions League. He win Spanish League, Italian League, English Premier League, you know, and he win five time Golden Ball, you know, it's like a lot of things. I think Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano!